the inauguration of the NEST cluster, Northeast Science and Technology Cluster in IIT Guwahati. It will be a huge platform on the basis of which 4 verticals entrepreneurs will get to display their capabilities, semiconductors and AI, on biodegradables, on new innovations, and on bamboo-based products. So I really believe that it will be a platform which will allow young students and faculty to work together on a hub and spoke network with other colleges and universities across the Northeast and give rise to new innovative capability. Along with that, we have also laid the foundation stone of 4 projects and inaugurated 2 others, close to about 655 crores worth. This is all under the direction, leadership and blessings of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, along with our partnership with our Chief Minister, Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sarma ji. Assam is moving from strength to strength. 455 crores has been devoted to 65 secondary school institutions that will impact rural and urban Assam. Along with that, multiple roads as well as bridges have been inaugurated and foundation stones laid. 2 industrial estates have also been started through the foundation stone laying process. And I do hope that this will give a new impetus to economic growth in Assam. IIT Guwahati is a center of learning not only for Assam, not only for the Northeast, not only for India, but I believe for the world. And the strength that IIT Guwahati possesses is truly a huge multiplier for innovation across the world. It's been a pleasure and an honor to be here in IIT Guwahati along with our Minister Sahab of Education. And I do believe that in the time to come, the Prime Minister's resolve of Ashtalakshmi and development of the Northeastern region as the new gateway to Southeast Asia as well as to the world for India is becoming a reality.